Rolling, sir. Sir, has notice been issued to Shashi Tharoor?
सर क्या शशि थरूर
You see, in the morning, I think the same question was put to me. You see, I said that as far as these issues are concerned, the SIT will be knowing it better. But I can assure you, our objective is that we complete our investigation at the earliest possible. I understand maybe sooner the Mr. Tharoor is going to be examined by SIT, and as and when there is anything definite, I will let you know.
So, when would this questioning happen? Either on Tuesday, Wednesday, or even today itself?
You see, he was supposed to come little late.
सुबह सर की वो दिल्ली से बाहर हैं।
हाँ, this is what I learned.
क्या आज भी पूछताछ हो सकती है या कल हो जाएगी उनसे?
आज कल परसों में हो जाएगी शायद।
सर नोटिस इशू कर चुके हैं आप लोगों?
मेरे ख्याल में हाँ, नोटिस इशू हो चुका है और आज कल परसों में जो है ये हो जानी
So,
चाहिए।
will the questioning take place at his residence or somewhere else? Because SIT has been.
The SIT will take a call. Wherever they find it convenient, they will be holding. They will do this.
So, will this be the first round of questioning, or it will continue because obviously it might stretch for a few more days, or do you think this would be?
I'm not. I cannot say anything at this juncture. Maybe it may be only for a few minutes. It can be for. It can be a longer exercise.
Sir, Subramanian Swamy has said that Shashi Tharoor wrote a letter to one of the investigating officers in December. Sir, are you aware that Swamy wrote a letter because he has written 2 letters to you, emails?
See, as far as writing of any letter is concerned, it is the prerogative of anyone to write to police. So we do not mind if anybody writes us a letter, because we take into consideration anything which is relevant. So if anything has been sent by Mr. Tharoor as you are claiming, so that will be taken into consideration by us. If it is relevant, it will be part of our investigation. If it is not relevant, then obviously it will not be part of our investigation.
Sir, has Delhi police ever replied to the mails that he has written to you or either to the investigator?
No, we have not replied. You will have to take care of your stuff there. You see.
ठीक है
सर ओबामा को लेकर जो सिक्योरिटी है
All right, so that's the latest reaction we're getting from the Delhi Police Commissioner. Remember, there has been some ambiguity about whether Shashi Tharoor has been served that notice or not. In the morning also, when the Police Commissioner had spoken, he had said that yes, that notice has been served to the former Union Minister and he's been asked to join the probe. But Shashi Tharoor's office telling Times Now that that notice hasn't been received by them just yet. Even as we speak, a meeting is currently going on, we learn, at Shashi Tharoor's house, where he is closeted with at least half a dozen or more lawyers, where he's trying to get ready his legal strategy, what his defense, what his next few steps are going to be over the next few days. The police commissioner again reiterating that in the next 24 to 48 hours, Shashi Tharoor is going to be questioned. What is going to be the entire process of this questioning?